Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down automotive gadgets and parts so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy. Today, we're diving into a part that might not seem flashy, but it's critical to the functionality of your vehicle if you've got steering wheel controls or a heated steering wheel. This is the replacement wiring harnesses clock spring designed for Dodge Ram 1500 and Dodge Viper models between 2013 and 2017. Right out of the box, the part feels solid. It's clearly not a cheap knockoff. The plastic is sturdy, and all the connections and wiring points are clean. This replacement is designed to fit part numbers, and several others, and we'll flash those on the screen right now so you can match your OEM part accurately. Let's talk about what a clock spring actually does. It's a spiral-wound electrical connector that allows your steering wheel buttons, like audio controls, cruise control, and airbag, to function while letting the wheel turn freely. If those functions have stopped working, especially after hearing a clicking noise during turns, chances are your clock spring is worn or broken. Installation is pretty straightforward if you're comfortable pulling off your steering wheel and have a steering wheel puller tool. Make sure to disconnect the battery first to avoid triggering the airbag. Once you're in, the connectors on this harness are plug and play, just like the OEM part. There's no splicing, no guesswork. It's designed to match the factory specs precisely. This particular model supports heated steering wheels, which is an important detail. Not every clock spring has that support, so if you've got a Laramie or limited trim Ram with that feature, this one's a great match. We tested this on a 2016 Ram 2500 with steering wheel controls and a heated wheel. Everything fired up immediately after install, no error codes, no flashing lights. The fit was tight, the horn worked, and all wheel buttons functioned perfectly. Now, a quick word of caution. Do not rely solely on your vehicle's make, model, and year. Always cross-reference your OEM part number before you order. It's printed right on the original clock spring, so check that first. So, is this worth buying? For the price, it absolutely is. You're getting a premium OEM-grade replacement that's been rigorously tested, engineered for durability, and built to meet or exceed factory standards. If your steering wheel functions are acting up, this might just save you a trip to the dealership and a few $100 in labor costs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next product breakdown. For Product Critique, I'll see you in the next one. Safe driving.